Hi everyone, and welcome to Nikki and Stitches. I have an easy DIY for you today that should probably only take a short afternoon. We're going to be making a DIY foot rail. You can find all the supplies for this at your local big box hardware store. Some of them have a greater variety of pieces than others, so I would definitely shop around and find a place that has everything you need all in one location, and you can lay it out on your floor and actually see how all the pieces are going to fit together. My wall is 96 inches long, but just keep in mind that you don't actually need pipe that full length because all of the T's and the connectors take up some space. So for me, I have four 18-inch long rods. I have 5 floor flanges, and I have 5 4-inch shorter pieces that are going to go 3 down towards the floor and 2 back to the wall. And I have the 2 end caps. Just be careful, the end caps come in 45-degree turns and 90-degree turns. So for this, you're definitely going to need the 90-degree turns. Other than that, a drill and some drill bits, and I used some 1.25-inch drywall screws to screw it into the wall. So that's another big important part, is it's screwed into the wall at the 2 pieces that go back towards it. I did hit a stud with one of them. The pieces that go down into the floor, I didn't even bother to screw into the floor because since it's anchored to the wall and the weight is supported by these 4-inch pipes, I didn't think I needed it. If they wiggle around on you a little bit, you can just screw or unscrew these pipes until it fits nice and snug. And this way, if you ever want to take it down, there's very little damage to your floor. That's it, stay tuned. I have another DIY pipe project coming your way soon. We're going to be making some shelves. And you can look for that either on my Facebook page, Nikki and Stitches, my Instagram, Nikki McGonigal, or on my website where I just launched a new page where you can actually see live what I'm working on every day and you can see when it's coming your way. Bye!